To use AUinvolve in the mobile event pass to collect attendance, make sure you have the Campus Labs mobile event check-in app downloaded. To find your event-specific event code from AUinvolve, you must have already created the event. If you have not done so, make sure to create the event first. Visit AUinvolve and log in using your Auburn credentials. You can make sure you are logged in with your Auburn credentials by tapping the right-hand corner and making sure your name appears. Once logged in, click the button in the top left-hand corner with the arrow and 3 lines. A pop-out menu will appear. Click the wheel icon next to your organization, then click Events from the additional pop-out menu. Locate the desired event and click the event title. Scroll down slightly to the box labeled Access Code. Copy this code to input back into the Campus Labs mobile event check-in app. Use the event code in the app to start checking attendees in. Enter the event access code you got from AUinvolve. Log in using your Auburn credentials. Once you log in, select the blue Start Scanning button and give permission to use your phone's camera if you haven't already. This may need to be done in your phone settings. Begin scanning attendees' mobile event passes. If an attendee cannot access their mobile event pass, you can manually enter their Auburn University GID username to check them in to your event. The attendance you select will be permanently available on your events page within your AUinvolve for reference.